Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chopping Block, where I share delicious and simple recipes from my kitchen to yours. Today we'll prepare this creamy and fruity mango dessert that's perfect for hot summer days and family gatherings. So without wasting any further time, let's dive straight into the recipe. For the mango delight recipe, we will need some pureed mango chunks. So here I have taken some chunks and pureed it with some milk. And then to that you add a whipping cream, at least 3 to 4 heaped tablespoons, or roughly about half a cup. At this point you can add some powdered sugar to increase the sweetness. Mix everything well to attain the desired consistency shown. To combine everything together, we will need a good sized glass container, some warm milk, and the prepared whipped mango cream. For the base, we'll need some digestive biscuits. Dunk it into the warm milk to soften it up and transfer it into the glass container. Then goes a thick layer of the whipped mango puree. Smoothen the surface up and add chunks of mango for added flavor. Repeat the layering with soaked digestive biscuits, mango cream, some chopped mangoes. Chill it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And just before serving, decorate it with some fresh whipping cream and chopped mangoes. Trust me, you are going to be in love with this dessert and will come back to thank me later. There you have it. Super simple but highly delicious mango delight dessert is ready to be devoured and served. Also prepared quite a few other mango dessert recipes which are linked somewhere on the screen, so do check it out. Try it for yourself before the mango season says goodbye. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.